Moses Davis, aka Beenie Man, receiving one of Jamaica's highest honor from the Governor General of Jamaica. Let's take a look.
Well, I feel great and I feel like a proper Jamaican. I've been recognized by the country, been recognized by the government. And it's the greatest feeling to be recognized by your own government. Because I've been recognized all over the world. And now, we're going to receive everything that we work for. Because like Grammy Awards, I've been nominated for 4 Grammys. I've been nominated for 4 Mobiles Awards. I get awards all over the world. But to be recognized in your own country, because remember I'm a Jamaican that lives in Jamaica. So to be recognized by your own government and by your own country is greatest achievement that you can have as a Jamaican. Well,
So that was Beenie Man extremely happy receiving one of Jamaica's highest award from the Governor General